Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the charger and phone. Plug the Oneplus wireless pad into an 18W or higher PD/QC wall adapter, then set the pad on a stable, flat surface. Make sure your phone case is thin or removed so coils can couple. The charging coil sits near the center back, so align it with the pad's target. Once done, power on the wall outlet and watch the pad's LED. A steady light means ready. Place the phone gently now. You now align the phone precisely over the pad. Small shifts toward the pad center can change charging from slow to fast because coil overlap matters. Once centered, you should see the battery icon and percentage increase, and the pad LED will confirm charging. If the phone stays idle, make sure wireless charging is enabled in settings, search for battery or charging options, and disable battery saver modes. If using a case with magnets or metal, remove it because they block efficient power transfer. To finish, optimize by ensuring no metal or thick cases interfere. Then monitor the charge rate and heat. Wireless is less efficient, so brief warmth is normal. If charging fails, restart your phone, swap the USB-C cable or use another PD adapter, and realign the phone center. These steps fix most issues. One key troubleshooting tip. If the pad shows a fault or the phone won't start charging, remove the case, reboot the phone, and retry with a known good 18W plus adapter. This resolves alignment, firmware, and accessory conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.